Many consider the Everglades agricultural area reservoir to be the crown jewel of the comprehensive Everglades restoration plan. The reservoir is truly going to be a game changer for the Everglades and for South Florida.
Today's groundbreaking is testament to the fact that the Army Corps of Engineers, South Florida Water Management District, all of the stakeholders, communities that are invested in these projects, they're up to the task.
This EAA reservoir is going to change the game for water management. It is going to change the game for environmental restoration efforts. It's going to change the game for people who live down these vulnerable estuaries. It is not just big funded projects that are underway. It is big funded projects that are underway that work. All of these projects, when they come online, do what they are supposed to do. And they work with one another and they sync with one another, and they are being put in place to create a trophy, not just for Florida, but a trophy for the United States of America.
I would just like to acknowledge the amazing job of the South Florida Water Management District. Your commitment, your ability to move projects forward, your ability to stay true to mission, and your partnership with the Army Corps is nothing short of outstanding.
I also really want to thank the folks at the Water Management District that put the 203 together to send to the Corps so they could submit it to Congress. And I want to thank John Mitnick, Ava Velez, Matt Morrison, Akina Wosina, Walter Wilcox, Jennifer Leeds, and I know there's a lot more. So do not ever doubt the folks at the Jacksonville District and the South Florida Water Management District. We're ready to get busy. We're going to get stuff done.